What if I told you that right now, this week, you could start selling tiny AI systems to small businesses without offering a single service yourself? No cold calls, no client meetings, no chasing people for payments, just smart, automated agents that solve real business problems, while you build income on autopilot. Sounds like a stretch? It's not. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 AI agents that small businesses actually need, and how you can package and sell them as digital products, even if you never want to deal with clients directly. Let's break it all down. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart tools and simple systems into real income streams. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Alright, let's dive in. Let's start with this idea. Small businesses don't need more tools. They need systems that work. And that's where you come in. Not as a freelancer, but as a builder of ready-to-use solutions. Here are 7 AI agents you can start building and selling right now. First up, the lead nurturer. Every small business collects leads, from contact forms, quote requests, or DMS, but most of them fail to follow up fast enough. And in the digital world, speed is everything. If you take more than 5 minutes to reply, your lead is probably gone. Checking out your competitor or scrolling through TikTok, that's where this agent comes in. Picture this. Someone fills out a contact form on a local plumbing website at 8:02 a.m. At 8:02 and 10 seconds, they get a friendly message that says, "Hey Sarah, thanks for reaching out. We got your request and we'll get back to you within the hour. In the meantime, here's our pricing guide." Now Sarah's not wondering if her message got lost. She feels seen. The business looks sharp. And the owner? He didn't even lift a finger. You just solved a real-world problem with one automation and saved that business hundreds, maybe thousands, in lost leads. You can build this using make.com to trigger the flow, ChatGPT to write the message based on the lead's info, and Gmail or Twilio to send the message instantly via email or SMS. This kind of automation is especially valuable for high-intent industries: real estate, legal, medical, home services, even tutoring. Package it as a speed-to-lead booster and sell it as a system small business owners can set up in under an hour. That's real value. Second, the testimonial collector. Let's be honest. Most business owners are terrible at asking for testimonials. They either forget, feel awkward, or just move on to the next task. But testimonials sell. They're the most powerful form of social proof. That's why this agent is so effective. 2 days after a customer's service is completed, it sends a warm, non-pushy message. "Hi John, we hope you loved the haircut. Mind leaving us a quick review?" It really helps. No pressure, just a nudge. Here's where it gets clever. The AI can analyze a recent chat or feedback message from the client, extract positive phrases, and include them as review suggestions. So even if someone's not sure what to write, they get a starting point. Let's say John once texted, "That fade was perfect, man. Thank you." The system might say, "If it helps, here's what others have written. The fade was perfect." Now John just clicks, edits, and posts. You can offer this to barbershops, yoga studios, cleaning services, pet groomers, any local business that thrives on trust. Bundle the agent with pre-written templates, a quick setup guide, and position it as a reputation builder kit. Number 3, the social media poster. This one is a total game changer for local businesses that want to stay active on social media, but just don't. They're busy, they forget, or they just stare at the blank screen thinking, "What the heck do I post today?" This AI agent solves all of that. It connects to a content calendar, pulls ideas based on dates or trending topics, generates short, branded captions, and schedules posts automatically using Buffer or Publer. Let's say you're working with a small bakery. It's October 28th. The system detects that it's National Chocolate Day. It grabs one of their product photos, writes a caption like, "Happy National Chocolate Day. Come try our triple chocolate cupcakes. Free samples today only." Scheduled. Done. No stress. You can build this with make.com plus ChatGPT plus an image database like a Google Drive folder or Airtable and connect to scheduling tools. Position this as a social presence machine. Sell it with a few ready-to-edit content packs, and businesses will feel like they've just hired a full-time content manager without paying a salary. Now let's talk about the newsletter generator. This one's for businesses that have a list of emails but never send anything because, well, writing newsletters is hard. But here's the thing. Newsletters are one of the highest ROI tools in marketing. This agent makes it effortless. The business owner adds a few simple notes. We're running a 10% promo on all hair products. Or, we're hosting a free tax workshop next Saturday. And the agent turns that into a polished, engaging newsletter. It might look something like, subject, your free invite plus this month's treats body. Hey Jane, we've got a free workshop coming up this Saturday. And yes, coffee and snacks are included. It sounds human. It feels warm. It drives traffic. And you can go even further. Add dynamic sections like customer highlights, FAQs, or new arrivals, all generated by ChatGPT based on a few bullet points. You can package this as a monthly email assistant that works with ConvertKit, MailChimp, or even Gmail. Sell it to boutiques, fitness studios, accountants, anyone with a list and no time. Next up, the quote sender. This one's all about speed and professionalism. If you've ever requested a quote and waited days to hear back, you know how frustrating that is. With this agent, that waiting game is over. Here's how it works. A potential client fills out a short form. Let's say for a personal trainer. They select what kind of training they want, online or in person, how many sessions, and their fitness goal. The agent calculates the price using a built-in logic formula, creates a clean quote in PDF format, and emails it instantly with the trainer's branding. Not only is this fast, it makes the business look ultra-professional. You can build this with ChatGPT for copy, Google Docs for formatting, Make.com to connect it all, and Gmail for delivery. Want to go premium? Add an option to collect payment right from the quote using Stripe or PayPal. Sell this system as the instant proposal machine. It turns any solo business owner into someone who looks enterprise level. The sixth agent is the client onboarding system. This is one of the most powerful agents you can offer, especially to coaches, consultants, and agencies. Think about the first impression a new client gets. If it's messy, slow, or confusing, they'll bounce. This agent fixes all that. As soon as a client signs up or makes a payment, the automation kicks in. It sends a warm, welcome message to set the tone, followed by a clear service agreement or intake form to collect key details. Right after that, it confirms the payment, then provides a link to schedule the first session, all automatically. And to make the experience even smoother, it can also deliver a quick video or checklist explaining what to expect, so the client feels fully prepared and supported from day one. It's like rolling out a red carpet, and it works while the business owner sleeps. You can build this with tools like Typeform, Calendly, Notion, Stripe, and of course Make.com to tie everything together. Bundle it with a setup video and sell it as Client Kickstart System, a plug-and-play onboarding experience that saves time and boosts retention. Now, the seventh one, the review reminder agent. Think of this as the quiet closer. Unlike the testimonial collector, which asks for feedback after a service, this one is focused on public reviews, especially on Google and Yelp. And it doesn't give up after the first try. Here's how it works. On the first day, the agent sends a gentle request asking the customer to leave a review. If there's no response, it waits a few days and follows up again, this time with a slightly different tone to re-engage. If there's still no action, it sends a final reminder a week later. But the smart part? As soon as a review is posted, the entire sequence automatically stops, so the customer doesn't keep getting unnecessary messages. This persistence makes a huge difference. It also makes businesses look way more proactive, without them actually doing anything. And it's not annoying, it's smart, well-paced, and polite. You can offer this agent as part of a review reputation engine, and sell it to local restaurants, dental clinics, realtors, anyone who lives and dies by their online reputation. Now here's the best part. You don't have to be a tech wizard to build these. You can use tools like Make.com, Zapier, Trello, Google Sheets, and ChatGPT with zero coding. Record how it works once. Package it as a digital product. List it on Gumroad, System.io, or even on your own Notion page. These are real business solutions, not just AI gimmicks. And people are quietly making thousands per month selling systems like this. No client calls, no fulfillment work, no burnout. So, which of these agents are you going to build first? If you want a full guide showing how to structure, price, and sell these AI systems step by step, check the comment pinned below. I've dropped a blueprint to help you get started. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments which agent stood out to you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Now go build something that sells while you sleep. Let's make it happen. Let's make a profit.